Hello everybody and welcome back to ScorpioTech. In this video we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the Atumtek 3-in-1 stand and charging station for your phone, Apple Watch and AirPods. This stand is available for £18.99 or $22.99 on Amazon, as well as a slightly cheaper variant which is a 2-in-1 option without the AirPod stand. So let's get this box open and see what's inside. First out of the box we have a selection of different screws and tools to help you assemble the stand. As expected, we also have a manual with assembly instructions and other useful information as well. Next we have the various elements that make up the stand, which include the AirPods charging stand, the phone holder, and finally the Apple Watch charging station. I've also got to say, even at this point in the unboxing, I could tell that the stand was going to be really good quality just by the feel and the weight of the components, but I'll come back to the build quality just a little later. And last but most certainly not least is the base for the stand, which again has a really nice weight and finish to it. So if we take a closer look at the components, we can see that the underside of the base has a non-slip layer, which again feels very premium. All of the cutouts are also very neat with no rough edges, giving me a really good first impression. As you can see, the phone holder and the watch charging station also have these really nice sleek rubber pads, which ensure that your products do not get scratched up by the metal stand. I actually very much like the silver colour that the stand is available in, but I think it would be nice if they could make a wider variety of stand colours, maybe ones to match the Apple range such as space grey, gold, midnight green, rose gold and so on. As I've already mentioned, the stand does require self-assembly, but do not worry DIY haters, it does not get much easier than this one, and all the tools are included as well. The first thing that I did was to attach the phone stand. This required one of the included screws and the use of the screw wrench as well. Once tightened, the stand was extremely solid thanks to excellent build quality and the sturdiness of the components. I then moved on to attaching the AirPod stand. I don't actually own any AirPods, but for the sake of the video I'll show you how it looks. This required two of the screws and again the use of the screw wrench. The AirPod stand also has a hole through the centre to allow the charging cable to be fed up to the AirPod case. This keeps things neat and tidy and makes it very practical for the user. Moving on then to the final component, we have the Apple Watch charging station. This one requires you to place your magnetic charger into the designated slot before attaching it to the base. Thanks to the clever design though, you can run the cable through a pre-cut channel on the underside of the base, meaning you have little or no cables visible when in use. Unlike the other two components, the watch charging station requires no screws, it just simply slots into the designated cutout on the base. This component also has an adjustable height to allow it to fit properly to support your version of the watch, which again in my opinion is a very nice touch for such a cheap product. And that's all there is to the product assembly. It took just a minute or two and I've had no issues whatsoever. I've been using this stand on my bedside table for the last couple of weeks and I have to say it really has become a must-have accessory for me. Also a big thank you to Atumtek for getting in touch and sending this out for testing, but as always this is not a paid ad, so all thoughts and opinions are my own. You can find all of the product links down in the description below. If you decide to buy direct via their website, you can also save 15% by using code Atumtek15. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you like what you saw, then please drop a like and let me know down in the comments. I hope to see you all in the next video, and until then, bye bye.